Hey everyone, welcome to Data Counts. I am Rajat, and today we will dive into Google BigQuery, a powerful tool for data analytics and engineering. In this video, I will show you step by step how to upload your dataset to BigQuery using your system. Whether you are working with CSV file, JSON, or any other format, this tutorial has you covered. Stay tuned and let's get started. When we work on BigQuery, it is important that we have created a project. If we haven't, then we will create a project first. And after that, we will create a data set on which we will be able to upload our tables. So let's jump to BigQuery. I will click here and then I will click on this button, try it in console. When we click on this one, we'll get an option here from where we can create a new project. As we see, there are three dots. So click on that one and go to the right side and you will find a new project button. Click on that one. You will get an option to create a new project where you can give a name to your project. For example, let's give a name to this project, data counts one. And here you can choose organization if you're working with any, but I'm skipping that and clicking on the create button. So as I clicked on create button, there's a screen that pop out in front of me. And when we go to this notification section, it will show us the project that we have created. And as we click on this select project, it will open our project. And as you can see here, we have created a data counts one. Under this section, if we click on these three dots, we will get option to create dataset. So if we go to our project data counts one and click on these three dots, we'll get option to create a new dataset. Here, I will give a name to my dataset. For example, I'm giving it new learnings. Okay, so I have given a name to my dataset that's new learnings, and then I click on this create dataset button. It will create a dataset under the data counts project, data counts one project. Here, as you see, our dataset. Now, as we have created our dataset new learnings under data counts one project, now it's time to create our tables. If we click on these three dots, it will show us create table option. And when we click on that one, it will give us option to create our table. If we go to this create table from option and select this one, we will get multiple options to choose from. From here, we will be selecting upload, and then we will be able to select our file from our system. I'm selecting any random file from here. Let's select this one, heart rate seconds merge CSV file, and after that, it will auto detect its format, which is CSV. And then we goes to this section. Here we have to give name to our table. I'm giving it, I will select the name from here and we'll give it the name heart rate seconds. And then we come to schema. Under the schema section, if you see, we have two options available. One is auto detect and other is add fill. So let's go with the auto detect first and see what it do. So basically, auto detect means it will detect the schema itself, but in some data sets, the schema is not properly aligned with the type of data that we have in particular columns. Then we will see some errors there. So let's go to this one and create table. So as we have selected auto detect option here, we see there is some error that we found here. But when we open to this one, it will show us the error that we have encountered here. So first of all, if we go to this error, it shows us that the schema and the data in column are not aligned. It shows that the timestamp is in this format while it is expecting it in a different format. Such errors, instead of selecting auto detect, we can manually add our schema. We have encountered error for the time section. We can manually give it any other schema. Instead of giving it time, I will select string here. And for the value section, I have given integer. And let's see how it works. I will click on the create table and we'll wait for it. So now we have encountered another error. Let's have a look at this. It shows that the error while reading data error messages. CSV processing encountered too many errors, giving up. So it shows that while uploading dataset, we got too many errors. To sort this, if we go to this advanced options, there we will find a section where we can enter the number of errors that we can avoid or we can allow. So I will mention 100 here and we'll click on the create table again. Our 100 seconds table is created. And when we click on this one, it will open us the schema where we can see the schema. And if we want to have a look at our data set, we can go on the preview button, which will show us our data set. As we can see, we have ID, time, and value columns here. So this is how we can upload our data set from our system to BigQuery. Thank you for watching this. We'll see you soon with another video.